Kon means people. Kon is pronounced with a flat tone. You can tell your nationality by saying Kon and followed by nationality, like Kon Swiss, that means Swiss. Or you can use Kon and followed by the country, like Kon Singapore, that means Singaporeans. So you can make a sentence to tell your nationality. For example, ฉันเป็นคนไทย that means I'm Thai. Another way of implying nationality is to tell the place you come from by saying มาจาก and followed by ประเทศ which means country and followed by the country you come from. For example, ฉันมาจากประเทศไทย that means I come from Thailand. Or you can add the city you come from as well by saying มาจาก and followed by เมือง which means city and followed by the city you come from. For example, ฉันมาจากเมืองกรุงเทพประเทศไทย that means I come from Bangkok City, Thailand. When you say Bangkok, it's correct, but you will find that Thai speakers mostly say กรุงเทพ กรุง is pronounced with a flat tone. เทพ is pronounced with a falling tone. So this is just to make you sound a little bit more native-like. I'm Thai. What's your nationality? Please share this video with your friends. Click the like button. Subscribe to my channel. ขอบคุณที่รับชม Thai with อรุษยา